Hello everybody, this is Kevin Russell. I'm also known as Joey Russell, and today I'm going to be playing with my Nerf guns or something. With my Range Master from Buzzbee Toys and my Fire Striker from Nerf. So I'm going to be playing with these today. I'm just going to be shooting some things, see how powerful they are. And yeah, let's get started. So, I'm going to start with my rifle, with my rifle right here. It's pretty nice, and I showed you in one of my other videos how to use it. So what should I shoot? What is there to shoot? I don't want to shoot the boat or any of the cars, especially this red one, because that's my little sister's babysitter, even though my dad and stepmom are here. Let's see. There's a kid over there. Let's see. I guess shoot the house. I mean, I'd just shoot right here. Okay, so there's like a scope here. So let's go. Alright. Yeah. There we go. Alright. So that's done. That wasn't really exciting, I know. Hey, but at least it's the first shot of the day. Okay, let's put this back in. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna shoot my phone, guys. Hopefully it doesn't break. I'm gonna shoot my phone, at least I'm gonna try to. And then you guys will see how powerful this thing is. I'm gonna show you how powerful this thing is. And then I'm going to show you my Fire Striker, because that's really, really powerful, because I just shot my hand probably about, I don't know, like an inch away. I shot my hand, like I put the gun in front of my hand about an inch away. I shot, kind of stung, so I'm going to show you how powerful this thing is. So let's do that. Okay, we're ready. Oh, so close. Ready. Can't shoot this thing. missed this thing 3 times. Wait, gosh. Oh, okay. Yes. Yes. Okay, guys. I missed the first 3 times, and on my 4th attempt, I actually shot the phone. That's good. Anyway, now that you saw the dart, okay, now that you saw that, I'm going to show you the fire striker, which should be a little bit easier. Okay, I'm going to get ready for that. Stand up, will you? Okay, I scratched my foot a little bit, but I don't care. Barely scratched it all. Okay. Okay. Now, I'm going to show you Fire Striker. Right here. I don't know if you saw that or not, but it's pretty powerful. So, ready. I saw you. I saw you. Shayla, go back inside, please, for a little bit. Okay, now, this is the Fire Striker, right here. I'm going to move this out of the way. Alright, Fire Striker right here. I don't know if you see it, but hopefully you do. Okay. Oh! Oh, I hit the grass. Oh, gosh dang it, this sucks. Okay, shoot this. Okay, Fire Striker, right here. I think so. Yes. Okay, it's a Fire Strike, not Fire Striker, but still, close enough. I'm just going to call it the Fire Striker. Alright, Fire Striker right here. I'm ready. Okay. Ah! Man, that was... Alright. Fire Striker, right here. Don't know if you see it or not, but just gonna... Whatever. Okay. Oh, yes! Right on the top. That's perfect. Alright. So guys, that was the rifle thing and the Fire Strike. It's actually called the Fire Strike, but I can call it the Fire Striker if I want. There's no problem with that. Anyway, hopefully there's good audio in this video, and please subscribe and like if this is the first video you've seen by me. And there were a few times where it was kind of a little bit funny, and I'm going to do like a bloopers video so you guys can see some funny moments from my video. So anyway, please subscribe, like, leave nice comments if you want to. Excuse me. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.